see. This one over here, it's plastic and it goes into that one. Be sure to take a lot of silicone grease, as this over time becomes stuck, and before you know, you break it, as it's flimsy plastic. So then another thing I noticed, watch, this one is just clicked in like this, but over time, due to vibrations, it wears out, and before you know, see, it flies off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put glue over there, there, there and there. That's a good plan, old mechanic. Watch. Glue it over there, there and there. Yes, now it sticks forever, hopefully. If you lose that, I'm not sure what it cost. Could be that you need to buy a whole new piece of Tupperware. Ah, we need to take the buddy sheet off, because in the meantime, this one is much better, but I give it a bit of glue too. Better safe than sorry. Underneath and a bit. Let's see. This in. Okay. Over here was a short shoulder. Okay. Over here a bigger one. His plastic too. I guess when it comes right out of the factory, it will all fits perfect, but loosen it one time and you get a gap. Oh, now it's nice. Okay, one over here. So now the last one. Perfect. Every bolt went back onto its place. Well done. Sometimes you have one bolt left and then you start thinking, oh my god, where? And then finally you find it somewhere hidden. Okay. We're gonna put the buddy sheet onto it. These are aluminium, guys. Don't tighten them too much. The last two bolts. Oh, you need the long one. Oh. really long. This one is, oh no, there he goes. Carefully, eh? Tight is tight. And this one too. Hop. Then. Hop. One more thing we have to do. And guess what? See if the tires are at the right pressure. 2.9 in the rear, 2.5 in the front. Ding dong. Guys, I have my wonderful tire inflating system. Okay. Here I got the valve. 2.9 bar. And boom. It's always cold, guys, huh? Okay, a bit more. This is 2 point. Yes. Okay. And 2.5 bar in the front. Where is my valve? Over here. Hoe lang zijn die dingen wel niet? Okay, let's see. Let's see it. Oh, it's 1.9. Exactly. Yep. 2.5 in the front. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Okay. So guys, I finished the S1000R, changing the engine. It's been a lengthy, big project, but I loved every minute of it. It was great to do. I made I'm not sure, a zillion videos for you on YouTube in my playlist. Made a special playlist for the S1000R, changing the engine. I'm gonna mention it over here. Make a link in the description. And I'm gonna call my friend that he can come and pick up his bike. I'm sure he will be happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, well, subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing, fully free. Hit the notification bell. Also important. So every time I upload a new video, you automatically get a warning. And give me your high points. These days that's very important. Everybody talks about, oh, high points. So do that too. Now, up to the next bike. A choir of children sings the song. Ding dong, ding dong. Dee 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 dee. Dee dee dee. Hoppa. I love my winch. My winch and I are friends for life. I love it. Let's see, this one. Hop. Stand away. Get out the side stand. Lower it. Guys, do you know the Christmas song? It's the most wonderful time of the year? Absolutely not. No, it's the summer holiday. That's the most wonderful time of the year. I'm gonna miss him. He was here for 2 months, 3 months, I think. 2 months. Wow, it was great to do, guys. Whoa, I loved it.